Yeah, I know if you find them, I know if you pick them. I'm lucky with the ladies. Yes. My wife, do it again. Could it? That me I talk about.
Wow. Does she look like you? You guys say thank you, Daddy. Yeah.
See if I G them. Yeah, then it's a big like the blood bucket of chicken, no? Everybody asks, who is it? Everybody wanna know, who is me? Everybody ask, who is it? Yeah, who is me? Danny British, driving Audis, couldn't drive cheap, too cheap. Burberry's on me, clocks on feet like a London street, you know see? 400 pound OG, ship it from the west, delivered in the east. Everywhere me go, you know me, have me thugs and with me. Y'all hide the condom, I say she want the picnic. Bob Marley, me, I move, me not touch with me. Burn a rape a boy and kill a boy, will touch pitney. Bad mind and corrupt. Yes, Jaja. Jamaican chicken foot soup. Mom, it tastes like say a Jamaica I come from. They carry out everything. It's hot, so I have to take this thing. Smack it, look on the chicken. Yeah, Jesus. I try to cool it down if you can bite it, because it's hot, you know. Jamaican chicken foot soup, man. You want a piece of chicken foot? Come try, come.
Hi. Hi. Are you gonna sit down, Mama? There's ice cream in there. Too cool. Yeah.
Together. The top part you'll notice looks different than the bottom part. What they did a long time ago is they confiscated slot machines for casinos. The police would come in and confiscate them, and they would tear them apart to see if they were doing anything illegal with them.
Right.
And then when they put them back together, they didn't care if it was one or two different mechanisms. They just threw them back together.
Oh, so
this
this
was
machine went through that,
confiscated.
right? Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So this have history.
Early 1900s. This was about 1940s.
Yeah, it's like 1940 slot machine. That is pretty cool.
Okay.
I don't think I'm that lucky. Let me
They
try.
got it all fixed up and running.
Oops, sorry, baby.
Right. That's it. That was a yeah, that didn't win nothing. Yeah. Oh yeah! You win! Yeah! Let's see how much you got. It look like you win over $1, you know, girl. You're the rich in the 1940s. Let's see.
Oh, dang.
Dang, I.
Oh, yeah, you got cherry and
$2, what? 25 cents?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That's a good one.
You don't buy me out of slavery. You know, let's go get daddy right now.
He can do it. This is the best mechanism. This whole thing, like when he works on it, this whole thing comes like out.
Yeah, I'll take it out.
It's not hard. It pulls out and in. Over here, and I kept asking him, "What is this for?" Well, that's where we found out that you can.
Who invented this system?
I don't know who originally made these, but
Yeah.
it honestly is pretty cool. It's very scary.
The thing
You
is
snap
from
a finger pretty
1940,
easy.
right?
Yeah, I'm like, okay. Oh, wow.
can run it outside too.
Yeah,
Oh,
you
yeah?
can run it
Run
when
it,
it's
let
out
me
here.
see.
This is how I was practicing it.
So the mechanism here basically does what you did right there. Push down those once it line up, it fires.
Do it again, Nate.
And then these are what detects the payout. Like if it goes in like a certain amount, it'll detect that. And then it'll transfer that information to these guys. And these are where all the quarters that pay you out are. So like these will pop back in a certain order depending on what you got. Give me that like correlating one. So you'll see these pop. And those will pop in different places. If you get
Based
payout.
on whatever jams here.
Yeah, and the line for the payouts like that.
How old's Reggie now?
Oh,
Reggie's old.
we were never given those age.
Yeah. You want to touch him?
Oh, Reggie?
I do. You
No problem, I touch Reggie.
want to see him, Ice?
See these are?
The dragon. Bearded dragon. You want to touch him? You touch him?
Yeah, I can touch
You
him.
can touch him, baby. He not hurt you. Do you need some help?
The spikes are for show.
Dragon? Look at that dragon!
Wow. Yeah. Hi, little guy.
Yeah, is she bumpy?
Aww. Yeah.
And they go pretty quick.
Yeah.
They're pretty dang quick when they get going.
They move in bursts.
Yeah.
They have like
It's like a 5 to 10 foot burst and then they like quick. But it's quick.
She's a king snake?
She's a Mexican pine snake.
Mexican pine snake.
You're Mexican. Oh, you're good. Yeah, I'm filming you.
Feel that? Yeah. Oh, see? Yeah, you could be a veterinarian one day.
Snake.
Yeah, that's the sound they make. Nobody makes you think she had to attack. No, attack me, you know. With all that shit. It's tense as hell.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I think I'm one with the snake now. Don't blind her.